how to add multiple stops to Google Maps. So for example here, I want to go from Manhattan Beach to Ball 36 Brooklyn, but I want to add a multiple stop. The first one is I want to stop at this Tony Cafe, and what you want to do, you want to click these three dots at the top right of your screen, and then choose Edit Stops, and you want to add the stops, for example. And there you go. Or you can also move the stops. For example, I want to choose this Town Cafe as the second destination. So what you want to do is you want to click these three lines right here. You want to click on, hold it, and drag it down. And you can also add another stop. For example, I want to stop at New York Aquarium. And there you go. But keep in mind that some of the routes is only available in car mode, but some of them is available on all of the mode. You can go in bike, in walk, or by motorcycle. If you find this video useful, please consider like and subscribe.